guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new Tiny Arcade series. This includes Frogger, Galaga, as well as Dig Dug. Now, this video here is sponsored by MyWiFi.tv, the best live TV application available for Android, OS X, iOS, and Windows. Check out their website now by clicking the link down below. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these things and see what they're all about. Alright, so these are our boxes. We'll go ahead and start off with Frogger first. Alright, so this here is our Frogger game. It's actually got a pretty nice heavy duty feel to it. You do see like the Frogger logo on the side here. He's holding a briefcase. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Alright, so we gotta cross the street without hitting any... Oh, okay, well that was a fail. Alright, so we gotta cross the street. Alright, I'm gonna jump on these turtles here, jump on this log. Log's moving really fast. Go onto there and yay, we made it! Okay, so now we gotta do the other ones. Oh, it's open road. Ah! Ah! Alright, well, there we go. So that's Frogger. Kind of gives you an idea what that's about. So yeah, definitely a very fun game. I mean, I love the little animations that they have on here. Like, look at that little graphic right there and that one right there. Definitely a very cool design. Definitely brings back a lot of memories. Alright, so this here is Dig Dug. You know, again, same casing. You see the characters on the side. It is a keychain. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this here is Dig Dug. We're going to turn it on and back switch just like that. There you go. Alright, we're going to hit start. Player 1 ready. And we're ready to play. No! Aww. So there you have it. That is Dig Dug. You know, definitely very nostalgic value to it. It actually mimics the game quite well, and I love the animations. You know, you can actually see everything on here. Definitely makes a great nostalgic piece. So this here is Galaga. So let's go ahead and open this up next. There we go. So there you have it. This here is Galaga. Very popular game actually. So you got our on-off switch on the back here. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to shoot these guys. Oh no! Alright, well there you have it. This kind of gives you an idea of what these arcade machines are about. They're actually a lot of fun and they bring back a lot of nostalgic value. And they actually have made a very nice high quality pieces. Now, they do look great as a set, and especially when you add it to the rest, it really does make it stand out quite so well. So check that out right there. We have ourselves a tiny arcade system. Now, if you guys had any questions about either of these games, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.